17 to 12. I seen the doubt in their faces. Niggas ain't think I'd make it. But if you really want it, you gonna go get it.
Man, this motherfucker.
Stand 10 toes down and you gonna go get it.
This that shit that make me go harder. This that type of shit that make me fall back when I'm bothered. Deep in love with that head, got me drowning in her water. Sounds of them guns got me jumping hard. I'm right here, what you looking for? Seat back with my weapon cocked. I just got my blessings in.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Jay, and you see me back with another video, man. But today, bro, I know y'all see what we got, man. It been a little minute, bro. I know it been a little minute, bro. And honestly, it's a lot of things that I'ma have to change up just to make this work, and that I had to do to make this work, bro. Like right now, bro, I honestly don't even have a airplane on. And I know y'all gonna be like, why did I take the airplane off, such and such, such and such? Well, I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. I literally just took the airplane off. Literally. And it's because that's how the inside look. Ain't really too much to see in there. That's how it look. But the reason I had to take the airplane off, bro, is because it's not gonna fit. You feel me? And I'm gonna show y'all boys right here. So as you can see already, this airplane is not gonna do it. So I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all go around. I don't know if you can see, but the rack of pinion is literally right there. I'm gonna go around so I can show y'all. As y'all can see right here, the rack of pinion is right here, and it's literally on my rack of pinion. But this line right here, that's what it's on. So this airplane will not actually fit. And I actually ordered another airplane that actually goes into this transmission as well. That's just a few little problems that we had ran into or whatnot, but we still gonna make it work. And another thing as well, this whole power steering module, it actually belongs like right here where the airplane is at. So I'm gonna have to find a new spot to put this power steering module and everything. I hope it shouldn't be that hard to do, but that's just something else. It's just a few little things we're gonna have to tweak, you feel me? But at least it's not nothing major. All the major things is done, you feel me? We got the motor and transmission and everything major is done. And another thing that I was doing as well, I didn't record everything, bro, because it's honestly so much that I was doing, bro. I didn't get a chance to really stop and record every single little thing. But as you can see right here, we got a brand new knuckle. We're gonna be putting this brand new knuckle on, bro. We're gonna put this on. Well, it's already on, as you can see. All I gotta do is jack it up a little bit, put it up there, put the bolt on, and it's good for this side. I need a new what they call this, I forgot what they call this, the wheel bearing or the wheel axle. I forgot what they call this. But only thing, I need to get a new hub. Need to get a brand new one of these, bro, cause this one kind of old. I'm gonna have to swap this out too. But this is gonna be real easy. It's just a few bolts on the back side, as you can see right here. But as I'm like, only thing, bro, is mainly I'm just going through the process, bro, and it's a lot. It's a lot more than I actually expected, to be honest with you. So that's why this swap is taking so much longer than I anticipated. But at the end of the day, bro, at least I'ma know that I'm doing this the right way and that it's gonna come out how I want it to, bro. So
Few minutes later.
what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Jay, and you see me back with another video, man. But in this video, bro, I took off the drive shaft, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna show y'all boys the difference between the Scat Pack drive shaft and the rear wheel drive shaft that I had on the V6 Jeep, you feel me? So right now, it's another issue that we kind of ran into. I mean, it's not nothing too major because I already found a solution to it, but I'm about to show y'all. As you can see, Boom. This is a boat drive shaft right here. I'm gonna kind of turn the camera, but we'll keep it like this. But as you can see right now, bro, the mounting points. So as you can see, this is a Scat Pack Challenger 6.4 drive shaft right here, and the brown one is my V6 drive shaft right there. And as you can see, the mounting points alone, they do not line up. The mounting points for the V6 drive shaft is back there, and the Scat Pack one actually is right here. And as well as, remember I told y'all boys, the oil pan did not fit. This is why right here. So as you can see on this aero pan right here for the 6.4 that I'm gonna have to use, you see how it goes straight down, and then it kind of, show you. You see how it's smooth, and then it go up, and then it got two bolts on each side that go into the transmission. I'm gonna need that. So this is why I'm gonna need this aero pan, and it's actually gonna be, you feel me, more reliable than this plastic one for the Durango. But you feel me, this is gonna come in handy in the long run. It came with the bolt and everything right there, but it fits. I tried it on and everything, and my rack opinion is not hitting my rack opinion either. So it's actually gonna be perfect. You feel me? Only thing I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to find a way to mount up this power steering module right there. So if in the comment section down below, bro, if any of y'all know a way I could mount this power steering module up, like what I was thinking about doing is, I'm gonna show y'all. Turn the flash on. Perfect. But as you can see, the power steering module right here, it actually supposed to sit like right here somewhere on the V6. But what I was thinking about doing is, bro, I was honestly thinking about trying to mount it over here somewhere, or even kind of trying to go up there with it, kind of like, probably like somewhere inside here or something like that, because I know they really don't have anything right here. So I'm gonna find a way to mount this up, bro. Best believe, bro, I'm gonna find a way, bro. But that's gonna be like the main issue right now. And I didn't swap on my PCM or anything just yet. I'm still waiting on this, you feel me? I got it, but I just didn't put it in yet. This is still the old one. But as you can see right now, what I have to do for the drive shaft, bro, only thing I could do, honestly, I'm gonna have to order 2015. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but rarely, bro, they have it's a rare, but they have a Jeep 5.7 Hemi that comes with the rear wheel drive shaft, and that's what I'm gonna have to order. And I actually found it online, but it's a lot more expensive than the regular drive shafts. So that's, you feel me, that's not the best news, but I mean, at least they actually have a rear wheel drive shaft that actually could fit. But my only thing is, bro, I just gotta hope that the mounting points, like right here, hope that this part fits on the I hope that the drive shaft for the 5.7 rear wheel drive Jeep actually fits on the Scat Pack transmission, and I gotta hope that it fits on the rear diff for the, and I gotta hope that it fit on the rear diff for the Jeep right now. But as you can see, these pretty much are the exact same, bro. And I wouldn't, honestly, I know if I was to put this Scat Pack drive shaft on, to be honest with you, I feel like it'll fit. Bro. Because there's two, they honestly the exact same, the bolt pattern. Let me get on this side. You see? I'm gonna get on this side. You can see the bolt pattern. The bolt pattern is pretty much the same. Let me actually sit the camera flat with it real quick. So you can see right here, bolt pattern is pretty much, well, I can see it's a little bit more spaced out. It looked like it. Yeah, it looked like it just a little bit. Yeah, it actually is. I think it's actually spaced out a little bit more. So that may be another thing as well. I may have to change the diff carrier as well. I'm gonna have to see, because as you can see right now, it looks a little bit more spaced out, and that can also be a potential issue. You feel me? But I don't know, bro. Right now we just gonna fix what we can right now. I'm gonna get the inside, and as you can see, when I got this Earl pan, bro, I wish it would have came with the stuff. I'm about to show you. It actually didn't come with any inside, bro. So I gotta get the stuff for the inside the Earl pan. But I'm gonna order that, you feel me? I'm gonna get all that, you feel me? But this video, bro, I ain't gonna lie. This video was kind of just to show y'all a few, I'm gonna just say a few of the little issues that we ran into, bro. But the main thing is the motor is in, you feel me? We got the motor in, you feel me? So that's the main thing, you feel me? All other small stuff is gonna come together, you feel me? But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. If you got any questions or you got any answers to my questions, man, let me know in the comment section down below. It's your boy Jay. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys next video, gang. Peace.
I'm right here, what you looking for? See back with my weapon cock. I just got my blessings in. They be trying to figure out why my bros just keep stepping in. Cause I'm giving out real hope. Protect the ones I love, trying to be there when